18 Clear Jackie Cooper Imports in Tulsa, and tonight I just want to show you a cool feature on our car in our vehicle settings. What it is actually called Dynamic Select. This actually gives you a lot of different ways you can look at your car. Some cool things about it is you can set up individual configuration for your car, so you can set the drivetrain, the transmission, the suspension, and even your exhaust. On this car, this is our S63, you can kind of customize that how you want to make your own individual mode. On top of that, you can also see engine data. This allows you to see live horsepower and torque while you're driving. So if I hit the gas pedal, it'll show me exactly what I'm doing all the time. Pretty cool feature. You also have vehicle data. Does give you some more info about your car. So if I turn the steering wheel, it does show me the steering wheel angle. Also shows me the ride height on the left-hand side. And on the right-hand side, if I hit the gas or the brake, it shows me how much brake or gas I am using. Some cool info for you if you are wanting to see more and get more out of your car. If you want to come see more, stop by at Jackie Cooper Imports, 9393 South Memorial Drive in Tulsa.